Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. And today we are making an Asian beef rice bowl. We're going to start off with 1 pound of hamburger cooked. After we get finished cooking this hamburger, we are going to drain out that grease, okay? We don't want the grease in here. We're just about done. Okay, so my hamburger is done. I drained the fat out of my pan. Now we're going to go in with a teaspoon of minced garlic. And then a teaspoon of ginger. Okay, I totally missed the spoon, but hey, that looks that I don't know how I did that so perfect like that. Okay, that will work. I'll take that. Okay, and then I'm just going to turn my stove up a little bit. I had it down. We're going to want to just taking my oil and just maybe 3 little squirts of the oil. I want to get that cooked up there. Oh, it smells good. I love that aroma. And then start mixing it around. So we are going to put a sauce in this. While this is cooking, I'm going to show you, because we're going to have an Asian sauce with that. I'm going to show you, I already mixed it up. And what I did was I used 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of soy, used a low sodium one, and then 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. This is optional, you know, it depends, do you like heat or not? I really love heat, but this stuff is super hot. I put 1/2 teaspoon, you could put a teaspoon. And then I mixed it all up in that bowl that I just showed you. And I will leave the ingredients down below. This is looking good, I like it. Okay. So let's go in with the mixture. I just want to stir that. Someone's telling me, you know, because we got that brown sugar settled to the bottom. And I just didn't want to waste everybody's time. I really wanted to get this done for you. I hate watching videos that just take forever. And then we're just going to stir this around. Let it all get hot. And just heat that up for just a few minutes. I'm going to turn this up just a little bit. So I love Asian food, I love Chinese food, and that's why I happen to have those, you know, like soy sauce, sesame seed oil, things like that in my pantry, because I've cooked stuff like this before. Let it get all nice and hotty hot. Alright, you're also going to want to put in some those onions, God, you know, the long onions. Let me show you. I like to start cutting them off from the top. Take you a nice handful. There we go. That's good. Not a handful, a nice big pinch of onion. And let's cook that in there. Okay, and one of the things you're also going to want to do is serve this over jasmine rice. I mean, you can do regular rice. Honestly, it doesn't make a difference. But I have to tell you, I don't have regular rice in my house. I just don't buy it because I love jasmine rice that much. So if I ever use rice, it's always jasmine rice. Oh, it's getting real. The way it smells in here. Oh my God. I love it. I should have doubled the recipe because I know my husband is just going to eat this up. Friends, this looks perfect right now. Okay, here we are. I added some onions to the top and I sprinkled some sesame seed on it. You don't have to do that. I mean, I have the stuff, so I'm going to use it. Okay, I'm going to go in for a nice bite. Oh, that's a nice, good, big bite. I knew I should have doubled this recipe. Next time I'll know better. This turned out so perfect. I love it. I mean, seriously, I just may go ahead and make another batch really quick before the husband comes home. This turned out completely delicious. I know he's going to want to take some home for lunch, some to work for lunch. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly videos like this, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.